Today Homes Online come up with a duplex home with exquisitely designed interior and exterior. One of the main attractions of this home is its vast spaced land yard. All four sides of the yard are walled with beautiful gate. It is a contemporary style double-story home design with 4 bedrooms. Slope and flat roofing are used here. Open-style vast-spaced sit-out is supported with the pillars. Windows and doors are designed very stylishly. More sets of windows and double-panel door are used in sit-out. At the left side wall is decorated with brick caddies like a box-style projected wall. Ceilings are done simply with LED spotlights. Moving on, we entering the awesome living area. Beautiful sofa sets are arranged here. This is the indoor planting area with beautiful ceramic wall tiles with glass roofing. Stylish LED bulbs are arranged on the wall. It brings the outstanding feel to the living area. Moving on, we entering into the family living area. One of the main attraction of this living area is its double-heighted roofing with stylish hanging bulbs. Beautiful sofa sets and curtains are arranged here, and there is a place to put the TV. So designers choose the whole roofing design to reduce the echo and helps more air circulation inside the home. beautiful courtyard is arranged in the front of family living area. Now we are entering the dining area with open kitchen. Let's check the interior settings. Interior decoration works are done very well with LED spotlights and hanging bulbs. Open style glass windows and doors are designed here. It helps to good view to the outer side. This is the washing area. Beautiful wash basin with cupboard is done here. The complete wall is decorated with the wall tiles. This is a common toilet. Next we going to check the kitchen. Open style modular kitchen is designed here. The complete wall of the kitchen is decorated with the wall tiles. More shelves and racks rearranged here. The color combination of the cupboard is awesome. It brings the luxury look to the kitchen area. Kitchen leads to work area. All settings are done very neatly. Fireplaces, washing area and more cupboards are arranged here. A small table with chairs is placed here also. Totally designers designed kitchen very well with beautiful color pattern of ceramic wall caddies. Next we go to check the bedrooms. This is the first bath attached master bedroom. Check the interior works. Double cot bed and more wardrobes are arranged here. Large-sized mirror with cupboard and other ceiling decoration works bring the stunning look to this bedroom. This is the prayer room. This is the second bedroom. Let's check the interior work. Next we go to check the first floor. Glass with wooden frame steering is used here. Ceiling work is done elegantly with wooden materials. More LED spotlights and hanging bulb are used here. Totally entire area of the first floor brings the heavenly feeling to eyes. Due to the slope proofing, the ceiling works are done matching for this and done very neatly and stylishly with spotlights. Wardrobes, double cot bed and curtains are arranged very well. Small-sized attractive window designs are done at the vent area. This is the fourth bedroom designed as the same pattern of previous one. Totally, this is an amazing home with gorgeously designed interior works. The designer has beautifully designed all area of this home. If you like this video, feed your valuable comment in comment box and share it to others for getting a beautiful visual home treat.